Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix screen goes randomly black on Windows 11. So the first thing what I suggest to do here is to check your display cables and look if they are not loosen up. So just quickly check your cables, and after that, if your cables is firm, we can proceed with other steps. And the next thing that I suggest to do here is to always make sure that your Windows update and your GPU drivers is fully updated, because it's usually with if this issue occurs, it's usually with your GPU. So go to settings, then go to Windows Update, check for updates. If there is an update, install it. Same with your GPU. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is NVIDIA app. And then just go to drivers and install latest drivers. If this did not work, then open up a command prompt, CMD, right click on it, run as admin, and then on command prompt window, you just need to write cfc/scan now. And basically your computer will scan your computer files, and if there is some corrupted files or missing files, they will be fixed. All right, so go ahead and do this. Another thing that can be here is you just need to go to search, just write change screensaver, and what it can be here is simply a screensaver can be blank, right? And after, as you can see here, a few minutes, your computer can shut down, showing you black screen. So what I suggest to do here is to press none, apply, okay, and look if the problem persists or not. Next thing, what you can do here, you just need to write edit power plan, then go to power options, make sure it's ultimate performance or high performance selected. If ultimate, you cannot see ultimate, select high performance, then go to change plan settings, and then we need to change few settings on this window here. If you're using laptop, probably you will see here on battery and plugged in. So make sure that turn off display on plugged in and on battery is on never, and put the computer to sleep is also on never as well. Then what you need to do here, press change advanced power settings, and then here you will find an option that you need to change as well. PCI Express, press plus sign, then select a link state power management, and then here it should be some settings here that you need to change. And then you just need to select setting and turn off. If it's on for you, if your laptop, if you're using laptop, you just need to select on battery off and plugged in off as well. And then go to processor power management mode here, and then also go to minimum processor rate and maximum process rate, and then select 90, right? Select 90, not 100 here, and then apply the changes. And last thing, what you can do here is to make sure to go to device manager, and on device manager, look for your monitors, and then right click on them, update driver, and search automatically for drivers. And then you just need to go to display settings, and on display settings, go to advanced display here, and make sure its maximum performance is selected here, right? Here. And sometimes VSync having can be the problem. So if you're using NVIDIA, for example, NVIDIA control panel, try to disable VSync. So go to manage 3D settings, scroll down a bit, and then turn off VSync. And that's basically it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.